Ha? Ayan na. Mainit pa eh. Assalamualaikum everyone, greeting of peace to all of you brothers and sisters. So here you go guys, we are here in our friend's house, and as you can see we are here in Catamaran building. Yeah, so today we're going to have a swimming with friends. And yes, yeah, I'm very glad and happy because this is gonna be my first time that I go out with friends. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm just kind of happy. Hi ladies, say hi to my vlog. Hello. Joy. Bisan lola mo. Yeah, so yes, we are here in the rotating chair. Yeah, and it's still hot until now. Actually, it's humid here, but yeah, we are just waiting until the sun goes down and we'll start our swimming. Yes, I'll show you guys the swimming. Dito guys, tinatry namin yung pag-flip ng camera. Parang cinematic style ba? Pero hindi nag-work sa camera. Ayan guys, we are here in the ladies pool.
Sa kabila kasi ma-open area.
Open area. Brought you by, lingon nga, Day. This is the owner. we are the
all green
visitor. Ayan.
Matcha.
Oh, Antara. My God. Here's our owner. And this is the ladies swimming pool. Sin CR. Ito? Oh, okay. May init ako. Okay. Sige, pwede na ito.
I-upload niyo sa
Hello guys, so we just changed our clothes. Yeah, and yes, these are the ladies. So we're going to start to swim later on. Yeah, we just wait until this, you know, until this sun goes down.
Dinurog ka.
Yes, let's go. Oh, dito ka. So guys, here we are and we're just enjoying the moment. You know guys, I'm just lying down here with my mama, our owner. Yeah, so we're just like, you know, we just want to see the clouds. I mean the sky. There's no clouds today. Yeah, we just want to see the sky and relax and reminisce and talk about life. Yeah. So yeah, and we're going to jacuzzi. This is jacuzzi guys. Yeah, ladies, smile. Uy, ang sarap dito. Ay, naka-relax. Sarap matulog. Sarap matulog.
Tama-tama sa pakiramdam.
Kaya ba't hindi ka dito naglulog-log?
Ayaw, wala akong kasama.
Ano naman yun?
Hindi masaya mag-isa. Hindi naman sa ano.
Hindi mo feel pag mag-isa ka. Yun lang.
Boring naman. Pwede naman ako maligo sa siya.
Oo, pinakawais. Wala, yung lipstick. Kasi may chichirya.
Ito ang tago ko nga muna yung sensing. Ayaw, insecure mo yung sensing. Mahirap maghanap.
So we just done swimming, guys, over here. So we're going to the big swimming pool. Asan yung towel ko? Pinatayan niyo ako ng ilaw. Ayan, guys, so we are here now.
Ito ah. Anak ng tae. Ganda ng smile ko. Hindi ba, Ben? Photo ulit, Ben. Brad, ganda mo doon, Ben. Sige na, Ben. Maganda ba nga na emote-emote ka? May isa pang selfie. Hindi pa ubos yan, film mo. May isa pang selfie.
Hindi, yung memory niya punong-puno pa.
Sa may ilaw, dali.
Hi guys, so yun, kakain muna kape.
May show, may gulay akong binili. Kanino to? Tanggalin natin.
Akin, no, lagi lang Joy, oo. So it's time to eat.
Picnic pa lang ganapan. Hindi naman ako sinabihan. Lipod ng pindon ko kayo.
2,000 years later.
Here you go, guys. We done to the other swimming pool and now we head to the swimming pool, as you can see. Naglulublog na ako, guys. Asan na sila?
Hindi ako. Teka na.
Hindi ka na dyan.
Kaya kita yung ball corner. Bye, kuya. Bakit dito?
So we just done our swimming. Time check, it's already 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. So did you guys enjoy my invitation? Hi ladies, did you guys enjoy my invitation?
Yes, thank you.
Oh my god.
Thank you for the for inviting us here.
Let's go, guys. Tara na. Doon na tayo mag-shower. May shower doon.
Inano ko lang.
Hi, ladies.
Oh,
Yeah.
hi, sir.
Si Mr. Taming.
Dito naman, boss mo. Andito tayo ka. Kaya ka muna, girl. Nakita ka.
Ladies, kaway naman kayo dyan. Naka-night mode kayo. Oh, uwian na tayo. Yes.
Thank you.
Uy, yung chichirya. Uy, yung tanelas ko. Hala, yung tanelas ko. Yung tanelas ko.
Anong panelas? Ando, meron din sila. Wala pa, may pala.
Ay, ay.
Ano ba ako sa... Hindi ko alam. Actually, hindi ko alam kung ano sila sasarap. Pero free time naman sila. Meron kami sila. CR din siya. Ano na yung CR sa kababae?
Go, ladies!
Gusto may ano doon?
Tara na.
Yung damit pa nga doon. Kasi malaki yung ano din, toilet.
Saan yung nagsisigawan?
Sige, oo, wala akong damit.
Hello guys, so we're heading out to our hotel to catch our bus.
Bye! So naman nakakatakot naman ang profession ni Madam.
Ayan.
Si Sheila.
So we're heading out now to our hotel to catch our bus.
Kay Lilipan. Bilis yan.
Mabilis yan, hindi yan.
Daliri yan.
Ouch! Okay, kung daliri lang eh. Paano pag ulo mo